Okay, would you please introduce yourself?
Yes, ma'am. I am Glenn Amanyas Ismael, 40 years old. I am college graduate, Bachelor of Science in Nursing. I am the second, sorry, ma'am. I have four brothers, and I am the second of the family.
Okay, so college, you are college graduate 4 years, right, in nursing, right?
Yes, ma'am.
No license, right?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so do you have experience as a domestic helper before?
Yes, ma'am.
Where?
In Abu Dhabi.
What country? Abu Dhabi
Abu Dhabi, Abu Dhabi, Qatar,
and Saudi, right?
and Saudi Arabia.
Okay, so your first employee in Abu Dhabi, how long did you work?
I worked for 6 years.
6 years. What are your duties and responsibility?
I taking care of the kids, household chores, driving, washing the car.
Okay, so how old is the children that you take care?
3 years old,
And
and mama is 68 years old.
okay, how many members of the family?
3 only.
Okay, in Qatar, how long did you work in Qatar?
2 years.
So how old is the children that you take care?
1 year old, 2 years old, and 4 years old.
Okay, how many members of the family?
5.
Okay, you work again in Abu Dhabi as well. Again, how long?
Yes, ma'am. 2 years.
2 years. So how old is the children?
1 year old, and 2 years old, and 4 years old.
Okay, only how many members of the family?
5.
Okay, so you work also in Saudi Arabia. How long did you work in Saudi Arabia?
Yes, ma'am. I work in Saudi Arabia on
How long?
2 months only.
Two months. So what are your duties and responsibility? How old is the children?
1 year old, and the elderly is 70.
Okay, so why you work there only for 2 months?
2 months workload because I work in another family also.
Okay, so what do you prefer to take care, newborn or children?
Newborn.
Newborn. If your holiday is not on Sunday, do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to share room with babies, children, and elderly?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to work with another helper?
Yes,
Are you
ma'am.
willing to take care of dog or cat?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of disabled?
Yes,
Do you
ma'am.
drink alcohol or smoke regularly?
No.
Do you eat pork?
No.
Do you have tattoo?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do you have vision problems?
No.
Do you hold any certificate like first aid caregiver, nurse, and babysitter?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you any prolonged illnesses undergone surgery?
No.
Have you ever involved in any criminal labor police cases?
No.
So why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Because I know in Hong Kong it's a higher salary and they follow the rules and